Shalom. Hope that you're doing wonderfully. Hope that you're getting ready for the High Holy Days. One of my favorite parts of the High Holy Days is actually the music. And while we do this kind of innovative early service on Erev Rosh Hashanah, I'll be honest with you, as much as I love it, and I do love it, I really love hearing the grand music of our choir and Marilyn singing Avinu Malkeinu by Janowski and Kol Nidre and all of the different melodies that change to have a High Holy Day theme. That da 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 da. That's called High Holy Day Nusach. And for High Holy Days, to have a musical feel to it is really helpful. And you'll notice that we change some of the liturgy. Instead of saying Ha'el HaKadosh, the Holy God, we say HaMelech HaKadosh, the Holy Sovereign or the Holy King. The idea here is that we embrace the idea of God as ruler, judge, arbiter, the one who we think of as in control. And so on the High Holy Days, the music has a majesty to it, and we change some of the liturgy subtly, but we change it. We also add the idea of being inscribed in the book of life for another year, B'Sefer Chaim Tovim, in the book of good life. And we hope that that's really what happens with everybody. So when you hear ba 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 ba, you know that you're in the High Holy Day period. Slichot is the time of the year on a Saturday before Rosh Hashanah, as long as Rosh Hashanah is not 1 or 2 days right after that Saturday, where we first really start to embrace the liturgy. We change the melodies, we change the Torah covers, and as a result, we really start to shepherd in those last days of Elul. So this year for Slichot, we'll start at 10 o'clock on that Saturday, and we'll change our Torah covers. We'll make Havdalah, ending Shabbat, and we will get ready for the High Holy Days. So I look forward to seeing you soon. I look forward to seeing you online, and make it a wonderful, wonderful Shana Tova, Happy New Year. Tikiyah!